Alrighty, YouTubers, it is the first of the month. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have Thursday, it's almost the weekend. Another Amazon Prime unboxing to do, or unbagging. You guys can check them out. Links are going to be down below, where you can get one at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer. And now we got back to school. So, coming up in just a few weeks. And we got the fall sports, football, and all that good stuff is finally here. Hockey. And what do we got here? Cut. Alright. We got something here. Pillowcase? No. What is this? Oh boy. Not sure what this is. We have here. Oh, something. Towel? No, it's a rag. Or a dress. Alright. So we got. Who is this from though? From Amazon. Alright. Got here the tag. This is part of the Prime wardrobe, where you can try it out for 7 days, and if you don't like it, doesn't fit, you can send it back, and they only charge the ones you keep. This would be great for anyone that's on, like, in the budget for school. Just try it out for a couple days, and then send the ones you don't want, and keep on adding. So they got a lot of things to choose from accessories to clothing, shoes, purses, sunglasses, pretty much you name it, they got it. Here's another outfit. I'll leave the links down below for these. I'm definitely not wearing these, but not sure what I'm going to do with them. Maybe donate them. There we go. And then they send you all this good stuff. So keep what you want, send it back. It's easy to do. And we got a sweater or something. Very nice style. So, like I said, all you gotta do, click on. These are not used either. So that was kind of wondering about if they're like used or anything, like. But nope, they're all brand new, not recycled. I'm not sure what they do with the ones that say you try on and send it. Maybe they dry clean it and then donate it, or give it to Salvation Army, who knows. But really cool program they got started now with the Prime wardrobe, and like I said, it's really easy to use and simple to set up. I'll leave the links down below. You can try it out for 7 days, then hit the return, and then, like I said, keep the ones you want, and then once you keep the ones you get, you'll get billed for those two, and then you could continue to do the 7-day trial period on your items. So this is like a 2-pack, kind of like a lounge pants for sleepwear. Voice is going out today. Amazon Essentials. So definitely check them out. I'll have the links listed. And YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a great day, and see you guys soon.